Welcome to this quick tutorial on curve fitting with Excel. Let's say this is the X variable, this is the values for Y variable. I will first of all plot a scatter graph. This is the scatter graph that I plotted from the data that I showed you in the previous slide using Excel. The next step is I want to find a curve fitting equation to describe this rather sigmoid curve. How can I do this in Excel? This is what I will show you now. With the chart selected, go to the menu and you will see a tab called Chart Design. In Chart Design, when you click on Chart Design, this menu will open up. Then click on the drop down arrow on the Add Chart element. This brings down a submenu, and what you will need to click on is trend line. When you click on trend line, you will get few options. But click depending on what kind of curve fitting you want. You can choose one of these, or in my case I want to use polynomial curve fitting. So I'm going to click on more trend line options. This brings up the format trend line side panel. Once again, you can choose which type of curve that you want to fit. I want to fit polynomial curve, and when I clicked on that, a curve was overlaid on my graph. While this is good, I'm not that happy that it's not the best graph that I was expecting. So what I can do is I can change the polynomial. As I say change the polynomial, you can see the curve is changing. I'm not happy with the third order one either, so I'm going to fourth order, which is better. It's a good fit here, but not so great fit there. So now I'm going to increase the fifth polynomial. That's getting better on average, both in this region as well as there. Let's go to sixth, whether I think 6 is fitting beautifully here, not so much there. I think on the balance of it, I might just go for the polynomial 5. And if you want to find out what the equation to describe this curve, then you can click on this checkbox and it brings up the equation of the curve that you have overlaid. So in this tutorial you saw how to use Excel to fit a curve over your graph and to generate an equation for that graph. I hope this tutorial has been useful. Thank you and wishing you a good day. Bye for now.